The Boston Celtics should have won. Laker fans, this your boy Mike Bree. This is a quick video. Yeah, boy. The Lakers are now 25-16. We just beat the Boston Celtics, bro. 97-94. Ooh. Boston Celtics fans, quit hating. Please, quit hating. Seriously, dog, on Facebook. My God. I can't believe all them Laker haters. Why are they still hating, man? And most of them are Boston Celtics fans, too. I'm hearing all these comments. The Boston Celtics are still good. Okay, if they were good, why didn't they beat us? Yeah, that's right. Because we beat them. We sweep the Boston Celtics for the first time, bruh. You know why? Because it's a weird season. And it's a short season, too. 66 games. Yep. But hey, it doesn't matter. We still won. Boston Celtics fans, quit hating. Stop all that crying. This your boy MB Mike Bree TV. I'm out.